un grande amore, la piana. Hello, I'm Honest and
I'm Dini, nice to meet you guys.
I'm Chef Onesti, executive chef from La Piana. I have Italian heritage from La Piana. It's come from Italy. La Piana is a village in Sicily to show them the authentic Italian food, but in a classic way, like a fine dining restaurant. So it's a mix together with a traditional and fine dining experience. We have a lot of dish, like our menu have the starters, we have the main course, we have pasta and risotto, and the end we have a dessert. I work in the many type of cuisine. I choose Shylong because the Shylong is work for the Michelin's restaurants. So our kitchen, you see the place is small enough, but our kitchen is more bigger than the dining room.
Investing in our first restaurant, and we thank Shylong for their support in building our kitchen and supporting us in the construction of this restaurant. We want to add to this structure of culture and knowledge with the Italian culture in the food sector, but also art and music. Welcoming to different types of clients, not only to the high-end clients. So we want more Chinese people to enjoy our pizza and the other dishes that the chef and his team is masterfully preparing for everyone every day.